Hi, baby. Hopefully that's not too bright. Okay, so I come outside because it's getting ready to rain. We got some really wicked storm clouds over here. I probably would look like a freaking fruit cake talking to myself out here, but that's okay. I'm trying to get around the tree. And say hi, baby. See. Anyway, we're not supposed to have any rain, so I'm not really sure where this is coming from, but anyway, it looks pretty cool, and we could use the rain, so I'm all for it. What are you doing? Where you at? What? Ooh, that was awesome. Some super cool, Here. Hold on a second. Sorry for the crappy video. Trying to hold the baby and the camera and... Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's just thunder, baby.
If you give her a bottle, she might like her bottle and not be scared.
Oh, sweet baby. She had tears because she was crying before we came outside.
Why?
She's not crying because she's scared. Anyway, I just thought it would be cool to come out here and get the storm on film, but I'm starting to feel raindrops, so take the baby back inside.
Mama, did you feel light?
Ooh, did you see that?
See what? Mama, are we going across the street?
No. Not crossing the street.
We're just going around for a little.
I'm just coming over here so I can get a better view of the clouds, but the trees are pretty much blocking them all. You need to go back inside. You don't have pants on. Go on.
It's too scary.
Yeah, Kaylee's in there with the baby.
It's windy. Then
Go back inside with Kaylee and the baby. It's not dark, the lights are on. I don't even know if this is visible.